simultaneous linear equations with three variables. Here's the question. The curve y equal to ax square plus bx plus c passes through points 1, 8, negative 1, 2 and 2, 14. Find the equation of the curve. So when you will find the equation of curve, actually you'll be finding out the values of a, b and c. You'll feed them here and finally you will get the equation of the curve. So let's see, the curve is actually passing through these points. It means that when x will be 1, the value of y will be 8. When x will be negative 1, the value of y will be 2. And when x will be 2, the value of y will be 14. Let's pick up the first point. Let's pick up the situation that it's passing through the first point. So when x is 1, y is 8. So 8 is equal to ax square, that's a into 1 square, plus b into x, that's b into 1, plus c. This can be written as 8 equal to a plus b plus c. Let this be our first equation. The curve also passes through negative 1, 2. So 2 is equal to, this time x will be negative 1, a into negative 1 square plus b into negative 1 plus c. Let's rewrite this. It will be 2 equal to a minus b plus c. This gives you second equation. And it also passes through 2, 14. So I can write 14 equal to a into 2 square plus b into 2 plus c. And this thing will become 14 equal to 4a square plus 2b plus c. Look at the equations 1 and equation 2. This and this. If you add them, b will get eliminated. Yeah. So let's see what we can do. Let's add them. Before adding, mention first plus second will give us, now write the entire equation. 8 was equal to a plus b plus c, and 2 was equal to a minus b plus c. Let's see what we will have now. When we add them, b will get cancelled. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 will be equal to 2a plus 2c. We can take twice common from both sides. This will be 5 equal to a plus c. Treat this as your fourth equation. So in the fourth equation, we have two unknowns, a and c. Now let's look at second one and the third one. Let's do something so that b can be eliminated, so that we'll again have a new situation where the unknowns will be a and c only. So let's do one thing. Let's multiply second by 2. The advantage will be that b will become minus 2b, and in third equation it's already plus 2b. So what are we doing actually? Twice of second plus third. So twice of second. Multiply 2 on both sides. 2 2s are 4 equal to 2a minus 2b plus 2c. Am I right? Multiplying 2 on both sides. And write third as it is. 14 equal to this was actually just 4a. 4a plus 2b plus c. Let us add them. 4 and 14 will be 18. minus 2b plus 2b will cancel. 2a and 4a will become 6a, and 2c plus c will be 3c. We can take 3 common from both sides, and we'll end up with 6 equal to 2a plus c. This will be our fifth equation. Look at the fourth equation and fifth equation. They are simultaneous equations with two variables. I suggest let's subtract the fifth one from the fourth one, and we can successfully eliminate c. So we write fourth minus fifth. It will give us, it will give us 5 equal to a plus c minus 6 equal to 2a plus c. We are actually subtracting this one. So what happens, the signs change. 6 will be subtracted, 2a will be subtracted, c will be subtracted. 5 minus 6 will be negative 1, a minus 2a will be negative a, c minus c will get cancelled. So the value of a will come out to be 1. A very important achievement. You can put this a equal to 1 in the fourth one. You can see 1 plus c is 5, so c has to be 4 only. You can say from fourth we have figured out that c is equal to 4. Okay, we have got the values of two variables, a equal to 1, c equal to 4. Put them in the first. Okay, so 8 was equal to a plus b plus c. From first, 8 was equal to a plus b plus c, that's 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 8 minus 5 will be 3. So the value of b will be 3. These are the three important values, and now you can create your equation easily. Therefore, the equation of the curve, which is a quadratic curve, is y equal to ax square, that's 1x square, plus bx, that becomes plus 3x, plus c, that becomes plus 4. And this is your final answer. This is the curve that passes through the three given points. Thank you.